Welcome to the WP Smart Contracts WordPress plugin tutorial. In this step-by-step video, we will walk you through the installation and setup process of the WP Smart Contracts plugin, empowering your website with the capabilities of smart contracts. First, ensure that you have a fully functional WordPress site. Then, click on Plugins, Add New, from the WordPress dashboard. Search for WP Smart Contracts. Click Install, and then Activate to enable the plugin. Upon activation, a setup screen will appear, guiding you through the configuration process. First, you'll have the option to configure your site's appearance by choosing the skin that best suits your needs. Click Next to proceed. Then, you'll be prompted to enable the launcher and affiliate program. If you want to activate the affiliate program and launcher, simply click on the provided checkbox, and then proceed to the next step. To start receiving commissions, you'll need to set up your wallets. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your wallet settings. Take a moment to carefully read the terms of service, and if you agree to them, click on the checkbox to accept. Additionally, you have the option to configure NFT and Block Explorer settings. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set them up according to your preferences. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and set up the WP Smart Contracts WordPress plugin, unlocking the power of smart contracts on your website. Embrace the future of decentralized innovation with WP Smart Contracts.